Hello everyone, I'm Lata Berigoda. I hope you people are doing great and welcome to my channel and make sure subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Well, today want to talk to you a very important topic. It's about giving up. Yes, never ever giving up. Giving up is not a hassle. Life is like a big long journey. Sometimes it becomes easier. Rest of the time it becomes so much hard. In that time we must remind to ourselves a simple analogy that never ever giving up. We all have goals in our life. We all need to pursue that goals anyhow. We feel sad, we feel tired, and we feel anxious towards our goal when it doesn't come to achieve. That time we need to remind for ourselves never ever giving up. Never ever giving up so that we all must be consistent towards our goal. It may take years to years, but not a problem for us. But we all need a time and patience to achieve that thing. When were we a child, the time we wanted to walk. Our purpose was that what we wanted to walk. That time did we fall? Yes, we have fallen thousand times or uncountable times. But our aim was that we wanted to walk, so that we kept trying until we walked, so that we learned to walk. Our dreams and goals also like that. We always be so much caring for our goal. We always need to be so much enthusiasm and endeavor towards our goal if it is not come to achieve in our life. Like that, we all need a very good patience. When we plant a seed on the ground, that time can we able to see a tree in the next day? No, never ever possible to see a wonderful see wonderful tree in the next day because it must sprout out. Then it must grow slowly. Before that, it need water. We need to water it and it give. We must give proper sunlight for that growth. Then only adequately it starts growing eventually. Then it becomes a wonderful tree after so many years or after 4 to 5 years. Our goals also like that. We need a patience, we need a good effort before than that must believing in ourselves and must have good confidence with ourselves. We need to often water it, means we need to work out towards our goal and give a proper light for our goals through feeling confidence towards our life so that we don't ever giving up ourselves if our dreams do not come true at once, because it need a time, it need a patience. It may be came to reality after so many years. So that what we need to have a good patience and that don't give up in any stage. We always be who we are and must be enthusiasm towards our goal. Then only it be alive there until we achieve in our goals. Okay, well, next, one good thing which was really inspired me. When a scientist usually try an experiment, is that experiment come to achieve at once? No, it takes time. It really takes years. They fail. Their experiment fail. Do they give up? No, they learn from their mistake, they learn from their experiment, and they keep trying until they succeed. Where has they do until they succeed? I say, why can't we preserve towards our goal if we fail once? I say, if I'm failing towards achieving my goal, shall I give up myself? No, never ever giving up. First thing, must have confidence. No matter how much time it takes, the matter is only one thing, that am I confident about myself? Am am I able to do this thing like this way? I must believing in myself. Through having confidence, then only we can definitely achieve our goals. You know, one of the greatest scientists who was invented light bulb, the scientist name is just Thomas Edison. He was invented light bulb so that we have light bulbs in our home. If he wasn't invented that light bulb, we couldn't ever have light bulb in our home. We might not we have a light bulb in night time. So that we always believing in ourselves. You know one story of that Thomas Edison, sir. He was tried over 999 times or 1000 times to invented that bulb. He failed over 1000 times, but he didn't give up. Didn't give up. He had confidence. He believed in himself. He was preserved. He was consistent towards his goal, so that he just invented the bulb, and we all have light bulb in our home, our home. So that we need to what? Believing in yourself. Like that, so many examples are there. We always need to be what? Be consistent towards our goal. Through achieving our goals, having a good confidence with ourselves, we can do anything else. Without having confidence, we can't ever achieve our goals. if today is hard if today is hard for us, not bother for us, because our life will be tomorrow so much nice. If we are not ready to dedicate today, rest of the day we can't become so easiest in our life. So that, thank you so much for watching this video. I say, you just don't give up yourself. Be consistent towards yourself, and be who you are, believing in yourself, and keep going on. Then you can try. Then you can try your level best for your own potential, not for anyone else potential. Thank you so much for watching once again.